So today I'm going to show you how to turn vertical videos from your Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses into landscape mode videos for YouTube and other platforms. So this is far from ideal, the fact that these glasses can only take vertical video, but if your video is not too cropped in, you can actually turn this into a vertical video. And the only way to do that is to sort of crop the video. So for instance, if you look at this video, if I was trying to capture the screen, I have a lot of space at the top and at the bottom. So I can literally go to my gallery and edit it. So I'm going to go to my gallery. Let me just discard this. Go and pick that video. And then I can go to the edit function. I mean, they're saying it's too short to trim. Let's find another one. This one right here. So if I go to the edit function, so I just got some footage on my other phone. Now you can go and see a video like this. Okay, it's not the most ideal video for cropping, but if you go to the editor and go to the crop function, you can be able to sort of crop it into a 16 by 9 aspect ratio like that. Okay, now like I said, it's not going to be ideal, but it's probably the only way you can get footage from your Ray-Ban Metas into landscape mode, or convert those vertical footage or vertical videos into landscape mode. Now it might leave out some of the important bits of video that you want, or the some of the parts that you want, but that's the only way to do it, unfortunately. Thanks for watching and good luck.